Hey guys, this is Aaron again. It is November 17th, 2018, and I have got another set of these Star Wars Empire Strikes Back Funko Mystery Minis to unravel for our personal and viewing pleasure. Okay, so I had those two doubles and I brought them back to Target to get two more, except I found a package that I thought was kind of interesting because it was a little heavier than the rest, like I did with the Chewbacca's when I first bought these. My wife suggested rather than just getting the two, I get the three. So these are the first two I picked out, and then this was the heavy one that I was kind of intrigued about, just because I'm really kind of hoping we get a little Wampa action tonight, but we shall see in just a bit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open these and see what we come up with. Alright, starting with this one here. I think this was the second one that I picked up. It's not as heavy, but it is heavy, and I'm really hoping, of course, it's not another Chewbacca, even though Chewbacca is 1 out of every 6. So, of course, the odds are against me.
Never tell me the odds.
I can tell right now, it's a Chewbacca. I filled with 2 arms going to the side. So, struck out 1 right there. Alright, let's go with this one. This is the lighter one. This is actually the first one that I picked up. And it makes it easier to return these if you haven't opened the little black bag. I'm sure that isn't as much of a loss for the company, Target. Okay, this is... Ooh, okay. It's definitely not Yoda. For R2, let's see, here's the front of the head. There's, I feel the nose there. I'm trying to see. There's a gun. Is it Han? No. I don't know. I don't know who it is. I'm very curious now. Who is it? Yes! Lando. I am so happy.
Hello, what have we here?
1 out of every 24. And he looks fantastic. I like this guy. He's perfect. This is perfect. Oh, I'm so happy to see Lando. Great. Finally, somebody new. Alright, now, here's probably another Chewie. We're gonna see here. Let's see. Cellophane. I get that you're trying to prevent people from stealing, but my gosh. There should be like a little open here tab. You're kidding. Wait. This doesn't feel like... Honestly, it doesn't feel like a Chewie. But it is. He's the only one that's got arms to his side. Oh my god. Yep, it is. Yep, I can feel the texture of the fur. Yeah, it's Chewie. So, I got 2 more Chewies. Oh my god. Alright, so 2 more are going back. And I hate it so much. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm going to get a Wampa. Period. I'm not really dying to have a Wampa. It's just that he seems like the most interesting of this bunch. Let me see if I can get this in focus here. Let's do this. Let's take a look. There we go. Oh, there we go. So yeah, he just does. He just seems like really, really cool. So right now I've got multiple Chewies. Yoda, Lando, Vader. Would really like that Bespin Luke. And none on this side. So, yeah. That's where we're at, guys. It's like an ongoing battle. I might have to try another target and see if I can get any better luck that, or if I take that route. So we shall see what tomorrow may bring. I'm probably going to end up going to another target just to pick another one up. But I am very pleased with Lando. I honestly couldn't tell who he was inside the package, but that's okay. It made the surprise even better. So, yeah, that's it for tonight, and we'll see you again. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.